Looking for a seamless way to upgrade your 2000 to 2006 Toyota Tundra's audio system? This speaker harness adapter plugs directly into your car's radio harness, powering all 4 speakers without complicated rewiring. It's designed to fit perfectly, making your installation straightforward and reliable. I used this harness on my 2000 Tundra Access Cab, and it worked flawlessly. It fits snugly and powers the speakers just as expected. If you own a Tundra from 2001 through 2006, this adapter should be a great match for your model too, saving you the guesswork of compatibility. One important detail to keep in mind: these connectors tap into the wires inside your stock amplifier, which is located beneath the radio. At first, I was confused because the harness on the back of the radio didn't look like it would match this adapter. That's a common point of hesitation. I hadn't replaced a radio before, so when I pulled out the stock unit and saw the harnesses didn't line up, I panicked. Thankfully, a helpful video showed me exactly where the correct harness was located. This little tip can save you time and frustration during installation. What you get is a plug-and-play solution that avoids cutting or splicing wires, preserving your vehicle's original wiring integrity. It's easy to use and designed to meet all your audio needs, whether you're upgrading speakers or replacing a faulty harness. If you're tired of complicated installs or worried about compatibility, this adapter is worth a look. It takes the guesswork out of wiring your Tundra's audio system and ensures your speakers get the power they need without hassle. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your sound system without the headaches of custom wiring. This harness adapter fits perfectly, powers your speakers efficiently, and helps you get back on the road with better sound in no time. For anyone owning a 2000 to 2006 Toyota Tundra, this speaker harness adapter offers a simple, reliable fix. It's a practical choice that respects your truck's original setup while delivering clear, consistent audio performance.